Good morning, all of you. Let us start our session.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning. In the past few classes, good morning. Yeah, past few classes, we are discussing about what exactly the design. Why we want to study about this particular subject, design. Right, if you are studying many subjects, they may have some concepts. For example, if you are studying the basic physics, it will be having some laws, it will be having some principles. So if you are studying electrical machines, you will be studying different types of machines, their characteristics, how it is running, how it is working, what is the construction. So any particular subject, there will be a fixed topic, right? For example, I will be having some particular title of machines. You will be having a particular characteristics that you are going to study. So this is a subject. There are very few subjects. I can say very rare subjects are like this engineering and design. There is no particular topic. Right, the topics are very fundamental, and we are into that, and we make our own topics. Right, so that is a very important thing when compared to other subjects with this engineering and design. Right here, who will make the syllabus? We will make the syllabus. Who will make the assessment? We will make the assessment. Right, there is no particular specific thing for this engineering and design. Right, so always while we are taking the type of design, there are many types. I hope we discussed in the one or two sessions before. The design is in the nature. We can see every place where the design is there. Then also we can see the design is there in the architects. The design is there in the structural engineering. The design is there in electrical engineering. Overall, all the engineering, we are having some designs. The designs are there in the softwares. Designs are there in the marketing technology. The designs are there in the way we are speaking. Right? If it was not properly arranged. For example, if I am taking a particular session and the topics are not properly arranged, and if I am keep on telling something here and there, you may not understand. Right, it should have a particular base. Right, I have to talk depends upon what exactly the base, then only you can understand. I hope you are able to follow. So there are different types of designs are there in the engineering that we are going to focus. So before that, in not only the engineering, so many other places we can see the designs. So I will show you some of the designs today. And in the previous class, we discussed about the design is a combination of four different things. The design is a combination of four parameters or four big area. So can you able to remember what are that four area?
Yes, sir. Technology
Very good.
and
Technology,
engineering,
engineering,
science,
very
sir.
good. Science and art.
Art.
Engineering.
So arts, yes. So it is
Yes,
very
art.
good. Yeah, very good. It is the combination of arts. It is a combination of science. That's why some of the colleges or institution we call it as arts and science. So it is a combination of arts. It is a combination of science. It is a combination of engineering. It is a combination of technology. Four bigger parameters we can say. So there, this engineering and design concepts are there. Right, so that we are going to discuss. I will show you some of the elements. There you can say that where the arts are involved, whether engineering is involved, whether technology is involved, like that you can say. Right. So engineering is not simply the mathematics. Maybe mathematics may helpful in some parts, but we can't say fully it is oriented with the mathematics. Right, but engineering is the combination of sorry, design is the combination of engineering, technology, arts and science. Right, I will try to upload my presentation or share my screen so that you can able to see that how exactly the designs are and how we can classify that also. Right. Please wait, I will try to share my screen. Oh, got it, got it. So there are some basic designs I'm going to show. There you can identify whether only engineering is involved or the application of engineering, the technology is involved or science is involved like that. You need to say. So I'm trying to upload. There are some glitches while uploading. Okay, since it is a bigger file, it is taking some time for uploads. So I hope you were able to see the screen now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So the engineering, so engineering and design, it is oriented with many things. So especially we can say that it is having the four different aspects. Let us see. Okay, still it is not moving. Yeah, listen now. The design is a combination of science, technology, engineering, and art. So up to this, we've seen in the previous session, right? Let us move to the next one. This particular thing you can see that just I take on an example. So this you know that earlier. What is this? This is like a temperature measurement instrument, right? So maybe a clinical thermometer or something else. Because since the Fahrenheit is mentioned and Celsius is mentioned, you can see that. So can you tell me what are the things involved in this? Whether engineering is involved, technology is involved, art is involved, science is involved, or all the things are involved. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So here we can see that this is an example of a design, a particular design. So my question is, what are the things were involved? So I think the answer is here itself. They say, so the science is involved here, engineering is involved. Let us see one by one. Technology is also involved, and finally art is also involved. So what the science is involved? Because the science is having the principle behind the temperature measurement, right? That is thermal expansion of solids and liquids. So, for example, normal thermometers, you may have the mercury means what it will do depends upon the heat. It will move away. Right, the doctors they will see depends on that only. Till now, even though many digital meters are there, but till most of the doctors are very particular about this thermometer, mercury based. Right, so many other meters are there. So what actually it will happen, that is the basic science behind that. So if the heat is there, right, if any mercury, if the heat is there, what it will do, it will expand and it will move away, right, from the point. Therefore, how much it is moving, so depends on that. The doctors will say whether it is 101 degree or not degree, right? It's 101 Fahrenheit or 102 or like that. So they will say this much the fever is there, like that. Okay, and what actually the engineering there, right? So engineering is using the principle. That's why I told the application of science to design the thermometer. So can you tell me what is the principle behind that? So I hope this is the basic thing, and everybody, you know that, right? Such type of instruments we are using in our daily life. You may also having such type of thermometers in our houses also, because nowadays people are using thermometers or some digital thermal scanners, right? So that easily they can check their temperatures if there is any fever or how the body temperature is. All right. So the first thing is the science. It is having the principle, and the engineering is the application of that principle. Right. So that's all. So both things it will be very close to each other, but there is a variation. One is in terms of construction, another one is in terms of application. Right. So anything, any engineering materials, if you're doing, the first thing is the type of construction you need, and who will give the constructions, and who will give the concepts behind the construction means the science. So that's what the science, it will give all the concepts behind the construction, how to carry out, and the engineering, it will tell you about the principle, the application of the principles, not simply the principles, how we can apply it, right? Even though the principle is there, but whether you can apply it with which type of the materials, right? Whether it is like a glass or it is a plastics, or it is any other polymers, how we can use it. So it will be telling by the engineering concept. And what is the technology here? Can you tell me? So even though the application of science is there, the engineering, but the technology plays a major role. So that what is the technology involved in that?
Sir, it's mercury type thermometer, sir.
Yes, it is a mercury type. Understood. I am asking some application of engineering is there here.
Yes, sir. If the temperature is increases, so mercury lead will be also increases.
Very good. So that is the application of engineering. Am I right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is the concepts you are getting from the engineering. And can you tell me what is the art here? Art means something it will be make very comfortable, very easy, user friendly. Yeah.
The color variation, sir.
Yeah, they are having different color variations, so it is user friendly, right? It is very comfortable for the users. Very good, very comfortable for the users. And they clearly mentioned the Fahrenheit, they clearly mentioned the Celsius, and the scale is properly arranged, right? So anyway, thermometer, the scale should be arranged, and you can see that it will be looking like it is looking like very beautiful small scale, right? So it is easy to carry, right? So many things, right, involved in that art. So even though you are having a very good science, a very good engineering, very good technology to design, so the final thing is very important, the art, right? If the art only attracts the customers. So there are hundreds of thermometers are there in a shop, so you are going to buy, right? Some thermometers it will be very attractive, so that the people will take the thermometer, right? Why? Because the use is same, right? And but they will see about how comfortable it is, how user friendly it is, right? Whether it is easy to carry everywhere, because sometimes the people they want to go other places or abroad, they want to carry it. So whether it is suitable to carry, because some glass like structures, it was not allowed in some airports and other places, and whether it will be good for every places. So like that, people will think that, right? That's why, any type of material, if you are saying, there will be a possibility of all those categories, that is science, engineering, technology, and arts. Can you tell me whether what is involved here? This is this is another example. Here we are having
Yes, sir. All
engineering.
four things, sir.
Yeah, here we are having science, engineering, and technology,
Engineering
right?
and
What can you tell me one by one? What actually the science involved here?
Sir, the hammer is used for fixing the nails in the walls.
Yeah, understood. I'm asking the science involved in that. The science in the sense, some concepts behind that, right? So even though you can use some use some stones also to do it, take the nail and fix it, but you are not using stones. You are using hammers. Why? Can you tell me? So you are having nails, and you want to fix it in the roof. You can use some stones or some other materials also, but we are not using that. We are using this type of hammers to fix it. Can you tell me why the concept behind that? What are the concepts behind that? Why we are using that hammers?
sir, because moment of inertia at the end point is very high, sir.
Yes, the moment of inertia, good. That is the force, right? So
Yes,
the
sir.
horizontal force you are telling if you are using, or the rotational force if people are
Yes, sir.
using.
Rotational.
Okay, so the force will be very high. If you are using some stones or other thing, also the nail you can do it, but you need to give more energy, right? While you are taking the stone and fixing some nails, you have to use more energy, and it may not having a good shape also, but here it is having a good shape. And here you can see that this particular I want to show you. So this particular place you can see that so it will be very rigid, and what will be the weight of this position when compared to here? Here the weight will be much higher, am I right? Here the weight will be much higher. Here you can see that this position, it is very small, and this position you can see that it will be very big. Are you able to see
Yes.
the mass and yeah. So if the design is like this, as I told, the force acting, the force it is exerting from this hammer towards the nail, it will not affect much your hands. That is the important thing here. So here you can see that so this much areas you are able to hold it. So while holding this and you are using the hammer, you will not experience much pressure. That means the energy won't release. Well, there is not much energy released from you. That is the important thing here, right? So it was scaled in that manner. And now the thing is, what will be the art present in it? Can you tell me? What will be the
Structure of the wooden, sir.
structure of the wooden? It will be looking very
Use of
nice.
it
Yeah,
is look like a very gripped one, sir.
very good. And here you can see that this position, it will be very flat. Am I right? This position is very flat. Actually, they can give the same flat position at the handle itself. Then it will be very difficult. So here you can see that it is a cylindrical like portion, right? This portion, if you are seeing, it will be a cylindrical like structure. Therefore, it is easy to hold it. So who is giving that? Even though there is a technology behind that, but the art, it is making that polished structures, and it is making nice colors. And here also, what will be the science involved in it? The type of the material you are using, right? Whether you are using iron, whether you are using iron alloy, or any other things, right? So can you tell me what exactly here? The axe is also present here, the next diagram. So instead of it is having some good shape, right? Like a curvilinear structure is there. So instead of that, if it is very flat, whether it will be advantage or disadvantage. Can I have some answers? You can see axe. It will be it will be not having any curvilinear structures. Not having a curvilinear structure. Sometimes it will be very flat. My question is, if it is having a flat surface, or if it is having a curvilinear structure, which will be more comfortable.
So curve is more comfortable, sir.
Yeah, curvilinear is more comfortable. Yeah, curvilinear is more comfortable when compared to the flat one. For example, here this diagram, the first diagram, you can see hammer. So here you are using the flat surface. Here you are using this type of curvilinear surface. Oh, sorry, just a minute. Okay, sorry for the interruption, ma, because it's too hot here. Yeah, if you're using this type of flat surface, you will be having some consequences. If you're having the curvilinear surface, you will be having some other consequences. Right? So, if it is curvilinear, there are some differences. While you are using this hammer, most probably you will be using with a single hand. Am I right? Am I right or not? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So while you are taking the hammer, normally you are using with a single hand. Am I right? If any nails is
Yes, sir.
there, if you want to fix it. But while you are using the axe, nobody will keep with a single hand and they will do. They will take it for the work. They have to use two hands. Am I right? So if they want to cut the trees or they want to cut the branches or anything, the if the axe is used, it should have the experience with the two hands, right? So the axe should be handled by two hands. So what happened, so if you are having with the two hands, if it is like a curvilinear, and you can see that there will be displacement with the two hands also there, because both the hands are not at the same area, one is here and other, and the force exerted by each hand is different. Therefore, if there is a curvilinear portion is there, it will be very easy. So most of the things like mechanical elements, it will be it was identified actually. It was identified to decrease your human efforts. Alright, so here also this side, if you are telling about the hammer, so it is also decreasing our human effort. That's why this type of this handle will be somewhat bigger. So here, this type of the curvilinear portions, you can see that you are able to see. So why? Because the force given by the human, it should be lesser. The force given the force given by the human, it should be lesser. Right? That's why they are making this one. Right, and what is the science and engineering behind that? You can see the material here, right? So whether it is a hot iron or it is like a different alloy, right, which will be more helpful. And sometimes if you are using only iron rods to make this, right, or alloys to make this, sometimes what will happen means this particular portion, no, if it is very you can see that very sharp, so it will get damaged, right? So whether there is a combination of iron, steel, copper, etc., it will be there. That will be like a alloy, or how we can prepare it. So who will give the instruction means the engineering will give the instruction, right? And the technology it will take it to the next point, right? Let us see, and why we want to do such type of design that we are going to discuss in the coming session. Uh, so now what we are, let us see. Now listen, I want to show you more things like such type of designs. Are you able to understood some concepts like engineering, technology, arts are present in any type of the design? So that is the main objective of this particular session, right? Are you able to get some points? So sorry for some interruptions because while I am switching on the fan, you will experience some huge noise. That's why I'm always switching off my fan. So what happened if I'm switching off the fan? I am getting slightly uncomfortable. Okay, that's what. So let us continue the topics in the next class. So this particular class, one important thing I want to tell you, that is any design, if there is a combination of this engineering, technology, arts and science are there, it will be very good. Right, it will give very good insights to the people those who are working with, and it will reduce the human effort. So many, very important thing if we want to see that the application point of view, right, in the application point of view, so any type of the material if you are using, it should be having all the combination in a very good way or very excellent way. I can say that it will be very comfortable for the end users, and it will be very comfortable for engineers to work. It is very comfortable for any type of the designers to modify it, right. So if they are having a good base, then only they can go through the next way. So here with I would like to stop. So we will see in the next class. Anybody is having any doubts? Today we seen only some objective, only some objects which is oriented with some design concepts. Well, listen, if you're having any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can leave the session. I think the time is nearly up.
Thank you, sir. We don't have any doubts.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.